guys, we're gonna be unboxing some shit today. So today we're gonna be unboxing the INFINIX Note 40 free gifts. Actually, it's actually the free gifts that we're after. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the free gifts before I go into details about the phone. So this is what comes. This is how the box comes, and I don't have any other things, so I'm gonna use this quickly. And yeah, I love opening new stuffs. It's sweet. Ooh, I love the packaging. Unlike the can you help me out? No, it's missing. Guys, this is quite sorry guys. Yay! Ooh. So it comes with this beautiful phone stand. Wow, it's giving a very sweet vibe. Wow, almost like the last one I got. That's what I'm actually using to film this video. But yeah, this is cute. And this beautiful fancy INFINIX water bottle. So yeah, so now let's go into what's here. So basically the phone has been taken away, so I'm just gonna show you other features that comes with the phone. It comes with this beautiful wireless charger. Yeah, it also comes with this beautiful pouch for the wireless charger. It comes with two pouches. This is for the wireless charger and the normal pouch. I wish I could show you guys the phone right now, but I can't. Then it comes with this charger, an earpiece, a Type-C earpiece, and a Type-C charger. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.